Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Google Fitbit Air, and today I'm going to show you how to pair this band with your Android phone. So let's get started. So if you want to pair your Fitbit Air with a phone, you will need to download and install the Google Health application on that phone. So open the Play Store and of course search for Google Health in it. I just wanted to increase the brightness a bit, so open the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Google Health and tap on search, and you should see this application, Google Health. And as you can see, it's even Fitbit. It was formerly a Fitbit application. Tap on install. And then you can open it after it's done installing. In the app, you will need to sign in with the Google account. You can also sign in with Fitbit account, but it will tell you to merge the accounts together, basically. I'm gonna use the Google account. Tap on agree. Apparently I need to fill in some stuff here, so let's just put in some random stuff like this, then that, and save and continue. Right here we can scroll down, tap on agree. You can agree to the basically staying updated with the Google Health, with the emails. I'm just gonna tap on that now. I don't need it. And now you should see this page, and basically we can connect our device right here. We can tap on connect a Pixel or Fitbit, select our Fitbit Air, tap on start setup, scroll down and tap on agree. And basically what we need to do is to grab the charger that was provided with our Fitbit Air, and we need to plug in our device to charger. So here I have our charger, it's plugged into power. I'm gonna plug it into our tracker like this. And now we can tap on continue, allow the required permission. It might take a while for it to search sometimes. I'm just gonna place it like this. It's going to be easier. Like that. Don't scurry away. Stay here. Okay, it's still searching. This might take a while. Unfortunately, it's not the fastest process. It's taking longer than I expected, so I'm gonna... Oh, never mind. Something went wrong. So let's try again. I'm gonna replug it like this and try again. And if it won't go further, we can try to reopen the app basically. But as you can see, it's taking a while, so I'm gonna come back to you once it's connected. Or maybe not. Let's wait. Okay, this time it went through, so we can tap on pair. Allow the required permission. Here tap on continue, allow the required permission. It will also bring you to this page, and it will want the access for all the time. Otherwise it will bother you, so I'm gonna allow it. If you don't want to, you can always keep it allow only while using the app, but like I said before, it will bother you about the permission for the location. And here we can enable the notifications from the Google Health application. As you can see, we have limited warranty. We can select the country like this, then tap on continue. And then we can tap on get to know your Fitbit. You can check, basically learn how to use it. Here's how you check the battery, how you switch the band, how you put it on. Then we can tap on done. And at this point, we should see the today page. And if you tap right here, you should see your Fitbit Air and just say it's synced or connected. And that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this smartband with your phone. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.